Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, guys, that generation here 2015, 16, 17. If you need to find, guys, where the radiator fan relay is located, you may have up to 4 relays that you need to check. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain where you can buy cheap relays and fuses from, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered for your convenience, guys. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll cover all that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So radiator fan relays, guys, you may have up to 4 of them. You have 2 fuse boxes in your Ford F-150. We'll demonstrate on a 2016 model. We'll need to open just one of the fuse boxes that's located under the hood. That's your radiator right here, overflow tank. That's the radiator fans underneath it. But if you come on the left side, okay, right behind your car battery, you're going to have a fuse box there. Okay, that's the cover. That cover, if you open it, guys, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. This will be towards the front of your F-150, guys. This is towards the back. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, you will have all kinds of different fuses and relays here that could be really hard to find or really overpriced, expensive at the parts stores. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spares from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. So the first relay that we will need to check specifically, guys, is known as the radiator fan relay 1. And if you come in that fuse panel right here, we're talking about that relay here. You will need to check that relay. That's the first relay that you will need to check. Then we have another relay that if you come in that fuse panel there now, that relay panel, that relay here. So far, these 2 relays. But we're not done. We, guys, still have more. Some of you may have this one, some may not. So you may have another relay right there. Okay, depending on the configuration, model, engine, all that stuff. And another one, okay, you may have one more, and we're talking about that one here. So 4 relays that you need to check, that, and this one here for the radiator fan. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.